Alright, so I finished up my Name That Big Cat series, Name That Big Cat Sound tutorial series, and I want to sneak in this one that wasn't in that video, but you probably didn't think I could make the sound, and that is the laser beam cat sound created by Caracals. Alright, you ready for me to make that sound? I don't think you're ready. How to describe what I'm doing to make that sound? Alright, so you're blowing up a balloon. You pinch off the end. You don't tie it. You just let it go. You get... Right? You blow it up again. Give it... Now, you pull the ends apart, and you get a higher pitch. Right? That's what I'm doing to the back of my throat. I am forcing out air, and I'm pushing that air through my nose, and that's making the uvula, dangling from the throat, really fast. I can do this with my mouth closed. Without sound, it sounds like this. Not great. But if you add while you do that, and you open the mouth just to look creepy, I guess. And then you die a horrible life alone, but it's fine because you sounded glorious while you were making cat noises. I feel so fulfilled.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos. Also, comment below if you were able to recreate the sound. Also, if you could recreate the sound, please write down in your own words how you created that sound, because I assure you, this is very hard to do. Thank you, and as always,